Welcome back. Let's now cut across live to Hyderabad, where our Olympic stars are being felicitated.
Now the moment I would also like to thank our sponsors, Mr. Yarineni Naveen, Mr. Tatineni Srinivas, Mr. Mannam Venkataramana, and Mr. Chalamala Sethi Anil from Greenco. Now the moment we've all been eagerly awaiting, I would like to call upon Sindhu to say a few words about her Olympic journey so far.
Good morning, everybody, and it's a great privilege to be here today. And I would first of all like to thank Sachin sir and Shamali sir for gifting me a car. And I would like to say you something that when they gifted me the first car, Swift Desire, Sachin sir told me that definitely if you get an Olympic medal, he would definitely give me another car, and that happened today. So I'm very thankful to you, sir. And yes, I'm really very thankful to everybody because of your blessings I'm here today. And I think overall it's my dream and it has come true that I'll have to get an Olympic medal, and I'm very thankful to my coach because my whole journey till now I was with him, and it's a pleasure to be here today. And I would like to thank everybody out there. I would like to thank everybody out there, and I think definitely in the upcoming tournaments, definitely I would get laurels to the country. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sindhu. Fantastic words. You know, it's the toughest thing for a sportsman to stand on stage and say a few things, but they do more fantastic feats than that. They win for our country. So give it up, ladies and gentlemen. PV Sindhu. I would now like to invite Sakshi Malik to say a few words about her time in the Olympics.
Hello everyone. आप लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया, अकेली गई थी और अब पूरा इंडिया मेरे साथ है, तो आप ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहें कि मैं टोक्यो में भी ब्रोंज को गोल्ड में बदल दूं. और थैंक यू JSW, इंडियन रेलवे, माय पेरेंट्स. Thank you Sachin sir for honor me here. Thank you so much. और एक रिक्वेस्ट है, मेरा भाई आपका बहुत बड़ा फैन है, मेरी फैमिली के साथ एक फोटो जरूर ले लेना. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Sakshi. I'm sure we'll see the gold at the next Olympics. I would now like to invite Deepa Karmakar to say a few words. But behind this successful silver medalist, there's a man. The coach, Pulela Gopichand. May I request you to please come up on stage and say a few words.
Thank you, Sachin sir. Thank you all of you.
Thank you.
So I'm going to go with a cliche now. They say behind every successful man, there's a woman. But behind this successful silver medalist, there's a man. The coach, Pulela Gopichand. May I request you to please come up on stage and say a few words.
Thank you, Ramya. First of all, would like to congratulate the three ladies on stage. I think no time before has the nation's pride been saved more than what these three ladies have done. Fantastic effort. I think what KTR said the other day, I think save the girl child was the norm, but it's, I think, saved by the girl child is what I would think it is. I think thank you very much for keeping our honor and pride, and congratulations on the fantastic effort. All three of these medals are nothing less than the gold, and congratulations to all of you. Years ago, when this journey started, I think I spoke about winning a gold medal or a medal at the Olympics, not a gold medal. I said we would win a medal at the Olympics, and many people laughed. And thanks to one person who trusted and believed that this was possible, over a breakfast, Nimagada Prasad offered help, and that's how this academy started. I think a huge support for him, from him. Thank you very much, Professor. His daughter's getting married today, so he's not here. Best wishes to him, and thank you, Prasad Garu, for the help which when nobody trusted me, I think you trusted me. Thank you very much. Would like to thank him for this wonderful support at that point of time. Over the years, last time we had a bronze. We came here, we celebrated the bronze. Today, thanks to Sindhu's and that effort, we are here with the silver. And Sachin was there last time presenting the car. Chamundi, my good friend, he has done about, I think, 13 to 14 cars for various athletes. Thank you for the kind of support. It's not only, I think it's not only the support which comes out in front of us in terms of the cars, but I think whenever somebody needs a kneecap or a shoe or an insole, I think he's always there to help. Thank you, Chamundi, for that effort. And Sachin, your words of encouragement ever, in the sense that the Olympics, when you were there and you spent those moments prior to the Olympics, during the Olympics, and post the Olympics. I think thank you very much. You're a great ambassador for our sport.